Hi there. In this chapter we will cover sites. Confirming our site information is important as these details will appear on our documents such as invoices and estimates. Additionally, we can make adjustments to site prefixes such as job and invoice numbers. First, hover over the Settings tab and select Sites. Now, click on Edit next to your site details. Here we have the option to edit site name, address details, contact information and other important information relating to the business, such as VAT and company number. Send email as user, if enabled. Email sent from the system will have the relevant user's email address in the From field, if available. If this is not available, the email recorded on the site will be used in its place. The SMS alias is what will display when customers receive SMS reminders from TechMan. We can at this point add our site logo here on the left. First choose a file, then once this is loaded, simply click Upload Logo. This will then reflect across all documents. Next up, we have site prefixes. These are the prefixes associated to job numbers, invoice numbers, estimate numbers, and much more. As a standard, these will already be populated. However, you can edit these prefixes if you'd like to personalize your TechMan system. The numbers following the prefixes will begin at 100001 and ascend from there. Once you've made any adjustments, ensure you've clicked the Update button at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our Help Centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.